Crocodile.
Take a picture with your camera.
Crocodile daw?
Okay, another 1, 3, 4.
Apat.
Hello. Annyeong, ni hao. Ni hao ma.
Crislet, kita ka ba?
Crislet. So, ayan. Wow, it's raining. Wow. Yeah, so hello guys, umuulan po ngayon. Yan, look, it's raining. So, look at us. So, I will cover myself first. It's raining, guys. Bigla pong umulan dito nung nasa gitna na po kami. Yeah, I think we're here.
Yung 10?
Oo, yun ko alam. Mamaya, siguro tanungin natin si ano. With seafood? Wow! Kala mo naman cheese. Totoo ako. Ano po ng pagkain nila dito? 80,000 dong. Overloaded.
Buti balat na yung dito.
Ay, sorry sis. Noodles again. Kukunin ko daw.
For future, we have to look in the future. Our leaders are not good. Always keep trying. The lucky will come with you. Big belly is meant for wealthy. Big lucky.
Sad.
Sisila mo.
Papasok namin, tatanggalin namin agad.
Ayaw. Pag matagal naman. Ayaw ko din. Sis, dito tayo. Pag ano. Saan? Pag ano na.
Bibili po kami ng Saigon beer. These are the Saigon beer. Well, ayan, Saigon beer.
Ay, apat na lang. Sino mo, baka meron. Tatanong natin.
Minsan lang to sis, nasa Vietnam tayo. Tapos lang pumaligo ng person. Hi! So magpapainit tayo ng tubig. Look at our background. So open natin. Just open it wide. Yeah, mamaya. Pero mahuhuli ko pa yun na My Day, sis. Kasi, nakapila pa lang yung My Day ko. So, dumilim na. Kasi, sasaksak ako. Ikit, diba?